Everybody, did you hear? If he actually resigns, $4 XRP, not a problem. The Fed and everybody's watching. Doesn't get any better than this. The price, yes, 297. We were live watching. You and I. It was so fun. Came down to 266. It happens. People want to make money. Now we're back at 281. So what are we supposed to do, Oscar? Well, I told you many times, but if you have some funds, it's not a bad idea to consider putting your money in crypto. Not your financial advisor, but that's what I'm doing, right? So this channel is to share with you our goal to financial freedom. So if this is your first time, guys, how's it going? We really have a lot of fun. But there's people watching these headlines, this post, right? Like there's a battle, there's a crash, there's this type of momentum because people are tired of Jerome Powell and the guy is not cutting. If you take a look at the if you take a look at the stats, right here, I have them for you. It's right here, the CME. We got 18 days to go for the next FOMC meeting. And look at what the probability is 94% for another pause. It's right there for another pause. Do you think that Trump is going to be happy with another pause or the whole country? No. And we'll explain why not, right? That's not the point of this video. The point is, guys, that so many people are asking themselves, well, why are we pumping? Well, Bitcoin just broke all-time high, XRP almost $3. Just means that the market is getting ready for these big major decisions. And if we actually have an insight, right? If some insiders are hearing, hey, this guy is actually going to leave, then obviously markets are going to change. The bond market is going to get crazy. It will be up and down, will be volatile. But at the end, once you start cutting, the president said 3 points, which is 300 basis points, which is insane. It's going from like 4 something to 1. We're going to go up. That's bullish for the entire market, guys. Look at this. 117,000. You guys remember when we were at 100 or under 100? Now it's almost 120,000. BTC close $2.5 trillion. Amazing. XRP demolishing USDT. Take a look at that. Ethereum holding that 3,000, but XRP is still moving. Let me tell you the full story, guys. Drop a like, consider subscribing to the channel right now. Turn on those notification bells. $3 XRP, it's going to happen pretty soon. And you know why? You know what? I told you during the lives today that I was going to celebrate, and I did. You got some nice tomahawk, 48 ounces. That's what I had earlier today, and I'm just happy. That's exactly what I remind myself. Just enjoy family, friends, because you only live once, and obviously XRP is going to be here for and after us. And it's just a technology, guys, that millions will use. And Ripple Bank, which, by the way, is something that I didn't tell you. There's already some pictures of people getting this. So corporate application search results, you can find this actually. And it shows Ripple National Trust Bank. So they already have the documentation because Ripple is going to be a bank. And there you go. So you already can find it. It's so cool, man. Boom, he says. Ripple is becoming a bank, filed with the OCC and based in New York. So this is so bullish, man. While we get rid of Powell, right, which the guy, as I was telling you today, just cut, man, just cut. Doesn't have to be this way, but Washington has, laser eyes on you. And if Washington is after you, it's going to be tough. They went after the president, man, indicted him, everything, impeached him. Like, you're Powell, bro. You don't really get political. They're going to come after you. Like, think about it for a second. They went after Trump. The swamp went after Trump. He survived, but still it hurt. And you, Powell, you feel me, man? But those are my 2 cents. I wanted to tell you guys that if you want to make some money, if you want to start purchasing crypto, click the first link down below right now and join me on BTCC to start making some trades. Like I've been telling you, one of my trades is 190% up. I've started that trade. I'll tell you when. And I told you, I've been telling you like for a while at 220s, right around here, right around there. So obviously we're like at 200% average up because we're always trying to long term. I mean, I gotta be honest with you, like this rally was unexpected considering how boring, consolidating you and I were seeing the prices. But see, comes to show that when you see goodness, celebration is key. And okay, what are the news? Well, this, right? I mean, Jerome Powell is really not moving. And, everybody is like, is he actually gonna leave? The truth of the matter is that I've been watching this guy's FOMCs and speeches, and he's not gonna leave. He has stated over and over again that he is intending to fulfill his appointment till the last day. Now we haven't heard Jerome Powell after all of this, but he can easily just release a statement or just speak by the end of this month, which is July 30th, which is in about 20 days. And someone is going to ask him, hey, buddy, some weeks ago there was this rumor, and he's going to be like, no, we don't pay attention to that. We remain squarely focused on the balance of risk and keeping, balance prices, whatever. So, right. So pressure from Washington is happening, XRP holders, but also pressure on that XRP price. Like, let me show you right now. We are 6% away. 6% away from $3. You know how many shorts are crying right now that we are, very close to 3 because they're going to get liquidated. Shorts are really looking at us and saying, please crash. But in reality, I mean, we're going to continue buying, right? Something that we saw earlier today. There's a bunch of volume. There's a bunch of people that are bullish. And to me, it's like, yeah. So Brad Garlinghouse also posted, a couple minutes, hours ago, 9 hours ago, because he's excited that, Ripple is helping out and going through some of the even universities, right? Blending blockchain storytelling and community memory. The project explores how people can reclaim ownership over space memory and the latest campus collaboration series. And well, Brad is like, I'm so happy my alma mater is, leading. This is exactly where Ripple launched the University of Blockchain Research, supporting academic research, driving new utility, and the impact of crypto. So they're still investing and putting a lot of money because Ripple is really trying to be that, special company. And now it's going to be a special bank with a special blockchain and a special crypto called XRP that's going to pass $3 very soon. So keep an eye on everything, guys. I think tomorrow might be cool. Tomorrow's Saturday, Sunday. So, oh man. And to top it off, next week, Crypto Week. Crypto Week. So exciting. Drop a like, leave a comment. Join me on BTCC fam, Bitunix, Weeks. Links down below. Get all those bonuses. I'll see you on Patreon. I'll see you on Discord. I'll see you on the live. Peace.